Do you feel like a failure? Do you feel that everything that you put your hands to just simply fails? In this video, I have tips on what to do when you feel like a failure. Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Hello fellow Inspirers, welcome to Inspira Central. My name is Monica and I'm the Chief Inspirer herself. It's always good to have you here. Thank you for joining me. Today I'll be talking about what to do when you feel like a failure. Many people feel like a failure because they have not accomplished all that they set out to do. Some other people feel like a failure because everyone else has given up on them because they seem not to be making any headway in life. Well, if you're one of those who feels like a failure, I want to tell you what to do so that you stop feeling like a failure. First and foremost, I need you to understand where that feeling is coming from. You can feel like a failure for several reasons. The first reason could be because you have so many things to do and you have not accomplished any of them. For instance, your to-do list for today may have 20 tasks. You may have 20 assignments on your to-do list and you've not been able to do any one of those things. The first thing you need to do in such a situation is that you need to cut down that to-do list and make it more realistic. In such a case where you have a lot of things on your to-do list, you have to trim down the to-do list and have only 1 or 2 or 3 items on that to-do list. The second reason why you may feel like a failure is that everyone around you is telling you that you are a nobody, you haven't accomplished anything, you're not successful, you're not wealthy, and you're not someone that they can boast about. In that kind of situation, I need you to know that their opinions do not count. It is what you think about yourself that matters. How do you see yourself? Do you see yourself like a failure? Well, you just might see yourself like a failure because everyone around you calls you a failure. But you need to understand that you have to get your identity from yourself and not from what people think about you. What people think about you should not determine how you see yourself or what you think about yourself. You must have a good opinion about yourself because you're going to do life with yourself. I keep saying that here on Inspira Central. You are going to live with yourself. And so you must keep those external voices outside. You must not let them come in and take charge of your life. I want to give you this bonus tip. Whether you feel like a failure because everyone says you're a failure, or you feel like a failure because you know that you have not accomplished much of what you set out to accomplish, this is the tip that you have to follow. Pick one thing and focus on it. Pick one thing and do it. If, for instance, you want to start a business, start by registering your company. That's one thing. Start by registering your company. Focus on that one task that you have chosen and see it from beginning to the end. Don't stop it midway. Don't pick up another task. Don't multitask. Just go micro into that thing. Go all in. Focus on it, zoom in on it, and make sure that you actualize that one thing. And then you can tick that off your list. That ticking of the item off your list, that knowing that you completed a task from start to finish, is going to give you a sense of fulfillment. It's going to give you a sense of joy. It's going to give you a sense of accomplishment. Now, when you're able to accomplish that one task, you can move to the second assignment. When you move to the second assignment, see it through from start to finish because that also will help you gather momentum. It will help you to keep going from one task to the other. Stop leaving many unfinished, undone tasks here and there. See every task that you start through. And that is why I say trim down your to-do list and pick only a few items. Then start doing them one after the other. Until you finish the second task, don't move on to the third task. In that way, you're going to discover that you're not a failure. You can actually accomplish things. You were just overwhelmed. You just had too many things on your plate. You just had too many things fighting for your attention. And now that you have streamlined, now that you have chosen one and you have focused on it, you will be better able to accomplish that thing than if you had too many things asking for your attention. Feeling like a failure is not a good feeling. Nobody likes it. But if you want to be able to complete your task, you have to understand that that internal noise has to be tuned down. You have to turn it off. You have to let go of that negative mindset and what the critics are saying. And you have to come into yourself, zoom into yourself and tell yourself, what am I doing today? What am I going to do that will move the needle point in my favor? What am I going to do that will help me grow, even if it's in a little way today? What am I going to do? And then you do it. The fulfillment and satisfaction that you will get from accomplishing those few things on your list will help you feel better about yourself. And when the negative noise comes, when the critics come, when those naysayers come and keep saying those things they like saying, you say to yourself, I'm not a failure. I have seen my antecedents. I have seen what I have accomplished. I have proof that I'm not a failure. This is what I achieved. This is what I accomplished. This is what I attained. And so I know for sure that I'm not a failure. Nobody is really a failure as long as you have breath in your lungs. Even if you have not succeeded up till this moment, you can get back on track. You can get back and finish what you started. Stop letting people tell you that you're a failure. Stop letting people write you off. And even if they write you off, do not write off yourself. Believe in yourself. Trust in yourself. And stand up and keep going. We here at Inspira Central are supporting you. We are encouraging you, we are motivating you, and we are telling you that we believe in you. So do not give up on yourself, do not give up on your goals, and do not give up on your dreams. If this message has encouraged you, please drop a comment below. Tell me how this message has inspired you to get back on track and to not write yourself off or let anyone call you a failure. Also, if you like to watch more videos that motivate you, inspire you, encourage you, and help you to keep going no matter what happens, please subscribe to this channel. Simply click the subscribe button and get subscribed to this channel today. It is completely free of charge. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe to this channel. Simply click the subscribe button and get subscribed to this channel today. Also, do not forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified as soon as I update. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Also, please share this video with everyone, especially those who have given up on themselves. Share this video so that they can get back on track and accomplish those things that they had earlier given up on. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. Thank you for giving me your time. I have a playlist in the description of this video. Please watch each of the videos in that playlist. Drop a comment on each of those videos and tell me how they have helped you. Don't forget to be an inspiration. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Please subscribe, click the notification button, like this channel, share our videos, and follow us on social media. Thank you very much. Inspira Central.